Hi guys, in this video we talk about Nokia N73 Pro versus Realme GT5 Pro. The Nokia N73 Pro launched on March 2024 with a price tag of $1,099. Realme GT5 Pro launched on December 2023 with a price tag of $649. The dimensions of these devices: the Nokia N73 Pro height 6.43 inches, width 2.98 inches, thickness 9 mm. Realme GT5 Pro height 6.37 inches, width 2.96 inches, thickness 9.2 mm. The weight of these devices: the Nokia N73 Pro comes with 220 gram and the Realme GT5 Pro comes with 224 gram. And the both devices come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it comes with dual SIM nano SIM card supported. Nokia N73 Pro comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type, and the Realme GT5 Pro comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The Nokia N73 Pro comes with 6.81 inches screen size, and the Realme GT5 Pro comes with 6.78 inches screen size. Nokia N73 Pro comes with 2K screen resolution. Realme GT5 Pro comes with 1.5K screen resolution, and the Nokia N73 Pro comes with 518 ppi density. The Realme GT5 Pro comes with 450 ppi density. The refresh rate of these devices: the Realme GT5 Pro comes with 144 Hz refresh rate. The Nokia N73 Pro comes with 120 Hz refresh rate. Nokia N73 Pro comes with 92.1% screen to body ratio. The Realme GT5 Pro comes with 92% screen to body ratio, and the Realme GT5 Pro comes with Gorilla Glass screen protection. The Nokia N73 Pro comes with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 screen protection. The Realme GT5 Pro comes with 4500 nits peak of brightness. The Nokia N73 Pro comes with 4000 nits peak of brightness. The Nokia N73 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 64 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 8K 30fps video. The Realme GT5 Pro comes with triple camera setup, 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 8K 24fps video. The selfie camera of these devices: the Nokia N73 Pro and the Realme GT5 Pro comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 30fps video record. The platform of these devices: the Nokia N73 Pro comes with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4, and the Realme GT5 Pro with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4. And the chipset is same, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset in both devices. The GPU is same, Adreno 750 in both devices, and the both devices come with Android 14 operating system. The memory of the devices: the Nokia N73 Pro comes with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the Realme 5 Pro comes with 12GB and 16GB RAM too, and the internal storage is same, 256GB, 512GB and 1TB in both devices, and no SD card support in both mobiles. The Nokia N73 Pro comes with 5400 mAh battery, and the Realme GT5 Pro comes with 5400 mAh battery too. And the Realme GT5 Pro comes with 100 watt fast charging. The Nokia N73 Pro comes with 90 watt fast charging, and the both mobile come with 15 watt wireless charging, and it comes with 5G network support. The commons and the feature is same, but the Nokia N73 Pro comes with IP68 rating, and the Realme GT5 Pro comes with IP64 rating. The result of the devices: the Nokia N73 Pro got 24 points and the Realme GT5 Pro got 20 points.